Chicago Police.
Chicago Police.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Whoa, let's go. Oh.
Get an ambulance. Get an ambulance.
Gunshot wounds to the upper body.
Gunshot wounds to the leg and upper body.
Incident on record documents, real-world police encounters, using publicly released records to provide factual context and public awareness. We present this material with respect for those involved and for public awareness. On the 3rd of January 2025, Chicago police officers responded to a report of a domestic disturbance involving an individual with a knife inside an apartment building.
Okay, 1-3.
616.
I'm 13. How do we? Almost get the 50 stop progress. Amco gas station. More details about the motion, female, and black vehicle trying to enter color. Yeah, copy on that. That's awesome.
Hey, how you doing? Apartment 616. Yeah. She's finding someone with a knife and screwdriver.
She's finding
Her
someone.
boyfriend's attacking her.
Yes.
How do you get up there?
Huh?
34 Avenue.
What do you think?
Right here.
Going up.
What was he asking?
Well, what's going on?
Yeah.
Because he's security.
Yeah.
We'll tell you after we're done here.
6th floor.
This one? Oh, is that okay?
Chicago Police.
Chicago Police.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Whoa, let's go. Stop shooting, stop shooting. 10-1, shots fired.
10-1, shots fired, shots fired. Stop moving.
No, he's good. Nice over there.
He's good, he's good, he's good. Going in, going in, going in. Where's he shot, where's he shot?
We're going to be on the 6th floor.
Get an ambulance, get an ambulance.
Gunshot wounds to the upper body.
Gunshot wounds to the leg and upper body.
Shot by police. He's got multiple gunshot wounds to the upper chest, actual center chest.
I got blood on me.
That's right. Watch out, button.
Get chest here. We got chest
Yeah,
shield.
I'm trying to
Yeah, 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 that's what I'm trying to get.
get these fucking gloves on.
Let me check if there's a victim. Here, there's a chest shield. Chicago Police.
Everybody's alright?
Yeah, we're good. We still need to check on her though.
Victim. for you?
We're good. We got, yeah, that's no route for the pen. We got the account on.
What'd you say?
Make room for the ammo. Hey, somebody, see, he's got shot on the leg. Somebody put out.
He came at us with a knife. Myself, my partner, Romano. And then 10:30 for Adam. And then 10:24 Adam was behind us. I was, yes, I.
Discharge.
You guys, what's the name?
Everyone else is fine? Yeah. Anyone else discharged? You guys discharged? No. One more word right now. You got another drink? I got it. Hey, you guys all right for now, yes? You guys are fine for now?
He's got blood on his hand.
Yeah.
We're gonna split up ambulances downstairs.
Squad, show me en route. What gate
First
that is?
floor going up.
10:34 Adam.
First place on 6th floor, apartment 616. And then look at that.
I think that's our car.
That's your car?
Yeah.
Open it, one of you guys in there.
It's open. That one?
He was taken to Mount Sinai Hospital, where he later died from his injuries. The Cook County Medical Examiner's Office identified the deceased as 58-year-old Timothy Glaze. No officers were injured, and a knife was recovered at the scene. Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record weekly.